If you want to log into your Calendly account, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you are signing in for the first time or just need a refresher, this video will help you get into your dashboard fast and without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com/login. You can type it directly into the address bar and press enter. This will take you straight to the Calendly login page where you can choose the sign-in method that works best for you. Once the page loads, you will see a few different options. If you signed up with your email address, enter that email into the login field. If you prefer, you can also choose continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. These options are helpful if your Calendly account is connected to one of those providers because they let you sign in faster without needing to remember a separate Calendly password. If you are using your email address to sign in, enter your password next. Make sure you type it carefully, especially if your password is case sensitive. If you do not remember your password, you can usually use the forgot password option on the login screen to reset it before trying again. After entering your details, click the Log In button. Calendly will then check your credentials and begin signing you into your account. If everything is correct, you may be taken directly to your dashboard. If your account has additional security enabled, you might also be asked to complete two-factor authentication. If you see a two-factor authentication prompt, just follow the on-screen instructions. This usually means entering a verification code sent to your phone, email, or authentication app. Once you complete that step, Calendly will continue the sign-in process. After that, wait a moment for your Calendly dashboard to load. Once you are in, you can manage your scheduling links, meetings, availability, event types, and all the other tools inside your account. From there, you are ready to start using Calendly normally. If you ran into any issues during login, double-check that you are on the correct login page, confirm your email and password, and make sure your internet connection is stable. If you signed in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, make sure you are choosing the same account that you originally used to create your Calendly profile, and that is how to log into your Calendly account. It only takes a few moments once you know where to go and which sign-in option to use. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, app guides, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.